Hey there mga may love, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng reading na ito, reminders na hindi po ito for all. Kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be para sa'yo. Alright? So lahat tayong gender dito at timeless din ito mga mahal. So tingnan na natin, no? Let's see. Scorpio in love, Scorpio in love. So, Spirit and Angel, guys, thank you so much. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Spirit and Angel, guys, can you please show me? Scorpio in love. What does Scorpio needs to know when it comes to their love life? What's with Scorpio in love? Just gathering up the energies for you guys. Scorpio. Okay. So, let's wrap this. Let's see Scorpio kung ano bang meron dito when it comes to love. Okay, so Scorpio, we have here the romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Alright, wow, first energy. We also have here the playfulness, recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to share, to shine, to share. Yeah, nabanggit natin yung share, so it could probably means, no, meron kayo ditong pag-sharean, no, ng inyong romantic feelings at pagiging playful. Yeah, it looks like malalabas nitong tao na ito, no, ang youthness ninyo. Doesn't have to be na young at age kayong dalawa or younger sa inyo, pero alam niyo yung youthfulness vibe, no, na para kayong feels like teenager na bumalik kayo sa pagkabata because the emotions and feelings, no, walang takot. Yun, no, it's like you're both right here diving into this beautiful connection, and with the romantic feelings here, your feelings are worth exploring, and what I love about this is the word real. Ibig sabihin totoo, genuine, tunay. Diba? So, antaray. Let's see, we have here the no. We also have here the stay optimistic about your love life, positive thinking and faith. This is my manifestation card. Yeah, positive thinking bring you romance. We have here the in the near future. Oh, in the near future, so hindi na magtatagal. Alam mo ba na ang equivalent ng in the near future ay ang salitang very, very soon, honey. Yan. So, we also have here the perfect timing. Alright. So, let's see at the bottom of the deck, we have here the meditation brings answers. Yeah, it's your manifestation. This is you manifesting, or this individual here is manifesting you. Yeah, there's something better. Yeah, okay. You know what? As you can see, all of these are positive energies coming in. But we have here the no. Yeah. So this no right here, it looks like there is some kind of a blockage. There is some kind of a wall. Scorpio. Yun yung nakikita ko dito mga babes. Kaya nga we have here the meditation brings answers. Okay? Maybe this is you. Okay? You could be somewhat hindi ka pa sure kasi pwedeng you're dealing with the new energy, no? Pero doesn't mean na hindi ka pa sure. Ibig sabihin, hindi na ito worth it. It's that blockage, it's that kind of the wall, no, na pwedeng hindi mabarag-barag dito. Okay? Kasi may fear, may takot. At yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin na pagiging playfulness dito. Because this new energy, yeah, you heard it right, new energy, new love interest, new potential partner right here is about to enter into your life and will bring out the youthfulness in you. You will feel this kind of yung walang takot, diba, na magda-dive into this type of feelings and emotions. Okay? And I can see that there is some kind of a blockage. Kasi there's, what we call this, very intense, no? Very intense feelings and emotions na mararamdaman mo with that other person right here. Okay? Pero may takot ka. Might be na overwhelmed ka sa ganong klase ng emotions and feelings, no? plus nadagdagan pa kasi pwedeng ikaw ay nabulag na sa maling soulmate before. Okay? So, you've been hurt with the past or you've been hurt in the past. That's why may para ditong blockage or wall, no? Na kailangan mong baragin dito. Okay? So, parang na-add up pa, no? Especially kung nasaktan ka when it comes to love noon. Kasi ma-overwhelm ka sa feelings and emotions because this is too intense, okay? It looks like your spirits and angel guides right here. No. No, honey. This is the right person for you. No, Scorpio. This is the right person for you. Parang they're telling you, it is safe for you to love this person. Okay? Because we have here the real feelings. Okay? Yun na nakikita ko dito. We have here the real feelings and that's what's important. Kailangan totoo, kailangan genuine, kailangan dito yung tunay, yung mararamdamang feelings and emotions. Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi dito paglalaroan ng feelings at pagmamahal mo para sa kanya ang damdamin mo. And you have to stay optimistic about your love life. Yun. Because this is someone that you've attracted into your life or that you are now attracting to your life. Kasi yung iba paparating pa lang siya. Okay? If you are already in this type of energy that you're connecting with this someone here that we're talking about, you feel this very intense, no? Napakiramdam na talagang, grabe. Ang laka talaga ng pagkakrush ko dito or bakit ba ganito yung nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Sobrang excited ako, pinikita ko siya. Sobrang parang feeling ko, ay, fall in love na talaga ako dito sa tao na to. Yan, no? Because the energy is so intense. Okay? Na-overwhelm ka rito. And then parang nagkakaroon doon ng doubt, natatakot ka. But universe is telling you na no, don't doubt yourself. Okay? Don't doubt your feelings. It's okay for you to fall in love with this person because this person will have real feelings for you. Okay? Meditation means, mga babes, this is you listening to your intuition. Connecting to your higher self. Connecting, when you connect to your higher self, what are you doing? You are speaking with your angels and spirit guides. Yeah, you're connecting here with the higher power. And they're telling you, okay, that this is different, no, from someone that you have dealt with in the past, with that there's something better. Okay? At ito na yun. This is what they're bringing into your life. Your real soulmate. Yan, no. Yung hawak na lang bouquet of flowers na yan. Yan yung mga babes, no. Diba noon, ang pag-welcome natin, kagaya ngayon, diba? Kapag meron tayong wini-welcome, no. Diba, example, kapag ka merong guest, no, sa kunwari, Tito Boy Abunda show, diba binibigyan ng flower pag salubong? Or kapag merong magsasign ng contract, bibigyan ng flower pag salubong. No, it's like a welcoming. Okay, from the spirits and angel guides, this bouquet, no, parang they're telling you that it's okay for you to welcome this person in your heart, excuse me, no, because this is that person that we're talking about na ito yung someone better for you. This is not your past person here or kagaya ng mga nakadil mo noon, no, na past lovers. This is someone different from them. Yeah, and in the near future, you are about to attract this soulmate right here. This is your true soulmate, honey. This is someone's better na tinutukoy ni universe and that they're saying no, na wag ka nang mag-doubt. Okay, universe is saying wag kang mag-doubt, stay optimistic about your love life. Okay, just keep on engaging with your emotions and feelings kasi kung ano yung sinisigaw ng damdamin mo, tama yun. Yan, no? So, I think, mga babes, no, it's now the perfect timing for you to welcome this new love. We have here the perfect timing in the near future. Ibig sabihin, malapit na ito. Pwede yan mamaya, pwedeng bukas, pwedeng sa makalawa. Sa iba nga, dumating na ito. No? Lalo na kung nandyan na siya sa buhay nyo at ramdam mo na yung intense connection, go grab it na, mga babes. Okay? Kasi, this is someone here na tinutukoy ni universe na someone better na darating sa buhay mo. This is someone that you prayed for. This is someone that you want to manifest in your life. And you're about to witness that, okay? Right before your eyes. Okay, so nakikita ko rito that you're creating this wall, maybe because of your mga damuhong ex, no, na pinarana sa'yo rito ang masakit na, alam mo yun, no, masakit na mga betrayals or parang toxicities, no, sa buhay mo. Pero, hindi ito katulad nila. This is someone bitter. This is someone different from your past lovers here. This is someone who will show you real feelings. And when we say real, totoo lang at sa true lang. So, yan mga babes na Leo Scorpio, ang magandang balita dito sa inyong love. Kasi this person right here will really show you and express you their real feelings from the bottom of their heart. So, thank you so much, Scorpio. Sarang yung love and light. Annyeong!